2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.